Hello class. Today I will be talking about the Bermuda Triangle. The Bermuda Triangle is an area where people, aircrafts, and ships have mysteriously disappeared. It is an area in the ocean, and it goes from Miami to Puerto Rico to Bermuda. That's the triangle shape. About 50 ships and 20 aircrafts have disappeared, and the first aircraft incident happened in 1945 with Flight 19, and it had 14 passengers. Since that time, that would be roughly about one incident per year. There are many theories as to why these events occur, and some are more far-fetched than others. One theory is secret military bases are involved. There was a major British-controlled base during the 1800s, and there have been other US bases, but they have all been closed for a couple of decades now. A ship called the USS Cyclops sank in 1918, and that was a big part for rumors and conspiracies. Sometime after that, a popular writer and author named Berlitz, who wrote stories about the Bermuda Triangle, he proclaimed that aliens and sea monsters and UFOs were the reason behind the disappearances of these ships and aircrafts. And he said that they were collecting them for a space zoo. Another theory is that people think the city of Atlantis is below the sea, where the Bermuda Triangle is. They say that because of electromagnetic anomalies and different phenomena happening with the water, but that can be explained through methane gas under the sea. To explain this, methane gas can cause electric charges, and those charges can affect gauges and electronics for ships and stuff. And then when it emerges out of the water, it combusts, and that can cause the water to become more volatile. And when it really comes down to it, most things can be explained through human error and just rumors being spread. Nothing is really out of the ordinary. To start, the triangle is extremely large. It covers a vast part of the ocean. So when things disappear, it's not really like in one area, it's just one big area. And there is a lot of high traffic in those areas with ships and aircraft. One popular or well-known issue was with the malfunctioning compasses. And then it also has harsh weather conditions because there's a lot of tropical storms and hurricanes. And with the weather conditions, one thing is that in the area, there are hexagonal clouds. And these clouds, they cause bursts in the air. And the burst in the air, it's powerful enough to knock ships under the ocean and to knock aircraft into the ocean. There's also high waves, and low-flying planes can get caught up in these waves. And that is what is led to believe what happened to Flight 19 with the 14 passengers. And Flight 19 was a very big part in the rumor starting, because when Flight 19 crashed, they they sent a rescue team to search for them, and the rescue team also ended up crashing. And because of that, ever since then, that's been a big part for writers to come up with stuff. And these writers, like Berlitz with aliens and UFOs and sea monsters, would exaggerate these stories. They would also even lie about certain situations. Some writers said that one ship sank in the Bermuda Triangle, but it was found like 1,000 miles away, closer to the upper part of Europe, not close to the Bermuda Triangle at all. And according to some cargo haulers, there are way more dangerous areas than the Bermuda Triangle. So what do I think? Well, after researching military bases, aliens, and Atlantis, I feel all of these phenomenons have been reasonably debunked, and that the Bermuda Triangle is just a rather normal part of the ocean. Even if it is dangerous, almost all of the ocean is dangerous.